Well, once again, everybody, it's 5:24 and 45 seconds now on November 9th. This is the main drawing for the Strange Tales 110, first Doc Strange and the Doc Strange 169. Over here are the 36 filled spots. Just make sure I typed that name correctly. Oops, actually, I did it wrong. I put Ken Saxon as 33 when it was actually Will Nelson. Glad that caught my eye. Will Nelson got the final spot for coming in second in the final mini. So over here are the 35, 36 filled spots. Sorry, just double checking, making sure I didn't make any mistakes. That's why I go up and down. Alright. Number is 9. Gonna randomize 9 times. Name at the top of the list. We'll get both books. Due to the holiday on Monday, I don't think I'll be able to ship until Tuesday. Alright, so best of luck, everybody. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and here comes the final one. 9. Spot 32, Lori Lewis. Congratulations. Time is 5:26.